Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 22nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out of so far. Hope everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues again. Also, to watch the morning advisory map for your locations. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Thursday, Friday, and also Saturday and Sunday, as we got a whole bunch of severe weather to discuss in tonight's video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to bell notifications, so that way when these forecasts comes out, you'll know when my forecast is issued. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some showers and storms up here in Port of New Brunswick through Maine, all the Carolinas, stretching back to Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa region, stretching back into Montana, Wyoming, and a little bit over here in Washington State, and a little bit in Idaho. Alright, in the yellow, Tennessee, some severe weather possible in that region. And then in the red flashed area from Texas to Mississippi, some flash flooding, heavy rain possible. Also, we have some critical fire weather problems in Mexico and also into Texas. We have mixed precipitation, shower activity along coastal areas. Otherwise, dry high pressures in charge of much of Canada through portions of Washington, Oregon State, down to California, Gulf of California, Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, also into Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, much of Florida, some thunderstorms over South Florida and Florida Keys, also up into Georgia, some fair weather there, and also into portion of Newfoundland. All right, all of this activity is for your Thursday, May 23rd. Getting ahead of myself, folks, getting ahead. All right, now let's take a look at your Friday forecast. Oh, the thunderstorms and showers up here in Port of New Brunswick, also in the Maine, southeast Canada, down in the portion of northern New Hampshire and northeast Vermont. More thunderstorms and showers from Delaware to the Carolinas, back to Texas, all the way up to Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Michigan and Michigan region. Shower activity over South and North Dakota. Also, more thunderstorms and showers over portion of Montana. More shower activity over California and Utah, Wyoming, portion of Montana, Idaho, and also Washington, Oregon State. Again, southeast Texas, and again from Pennsylvania, New York State. And also, all right, you can see we got thunderstorms and showers over southeast Canada, stretching back into New York. Thunderstorms warnings. So we got some warning in Pennsylvania, stretching over here towards Ohio, also back down into Tennessee and Kentucky. All the way back into Texas, we have a tornado warning there as well, and several flash flood warnings also in effect for Kentucky, Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm warning there as well. More activity over here from North and South Dakota, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State as well. All right. Okay, we still waiting on it to pop up. Hopefully it'll be up in a little while. Might be 2 days from now, but state, Pennsylvania, also down in the portion of D.C. and also down in the West Virginia and Virginia regions. Special weather statements there in southern New York State. Special weather statements there as well. Can't get it out. Eastern Texas and Central Texas as well. The yellow area here is a tornado watch. In the yellow, we have an ongoing tornado warning. Central Texas, portion of Tennessee, also in the portion of Indiana, and also Ohio is river flood warnings here in effect for Idaho, down in South Georgia, Florida Panhandle, South Mississippi, portion of the Southwest, also in southwestern portion of the Colorado. High wind watches there in eastern Wyoming. We have some winter storm warning, winter weather advisory portion of Wyoming, also Montana and Idaho. Frost advisory there in portions of Idaho. Wind advisory there as well. Also in some frost advisory of southwestern areas of Oregon and Northern California. Alrighty, and across the Hawaiian chain. Island, gale warning, storm warning effect from Washington State down to Southern California. Alright, now let's get into the severe weather part of the video. Oh yeah. Alright, we got a marginal rift all the way up from northeast Maine through portions of Boston, Chattanooga, all the way down to Waco, all the way up to Fargo, North Dakota. There's a slight risk extending from, let's see, that's from the south of Bismarck through Pierre, all the way down to area. Enhanced risk ability. If it'll stay on this page long enough where I could do it. Alright, we got 2% up here around Fargo to Aberdeen. And then same from up here near Lincoln down to Waco and Dallas. Over to Memphis and Little Rock. Little Rock, you included 5%. Wichita Falls, Fort Steele, Oklahoma City, and also Woodward area. Thursday, excuse me. Getting my days mixed up. All right, we got 5% up from damaging winds from Boston all the way down to Charlotte, down to Waco, all the way up over toward Memphis. Not hail, large hail tomorrow. Sorry about me getting mixed up. My sinuses are acting up. I'm not thinking straight today, but I'm trying to do the best I can at it. Just from Maine all the way down toward from Dallas all the way up to McCook in a 30% risk area there as well. Alrighty, let's move on to day number 3. Which Alright, we got a marginal risk from Milwaukee all the way down to Memphis. Yeah, pretty much from Milwaukee to Chicago down to Little Rock, Memphis. And we got a 15 risk for severe weather. This is day number 15% risk area from Hannibal to Jefferson City to Springfield, all the way down to Dallas, Little Rock, Wichita Falls, Fort Steele, Norman, Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita. You're included in that 15% risk area. This is day 4, which is Saturday. And let's move to day number 5 as we got some more severe. Alright, you can see they have added a enhanced risk for severe weather from around Bowling Greens to Nashville to Jackson, Memphis you're included, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Clarksville, Tennessee, 30% risk area, 15% from Pierre to Hannibal down toward Little Rock to Chattanooga, all the way to Louisville and Cincinnati and Indianapolis region, 15% risk area. That would be a slight risk. Alrighty, well we made it through the video. Well, like I said, my sinuses are acting up real bad. Got a little sore throat with it. All this old pollen getting to me. But I'm still trying to push along still. But anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.